Well, I'm back in Copenhagen, at Villa Copenhagen, and this time I'm in a handicap room, and I really like it. It seems much more spacious, and I can really appreciate how well thought out it all is, how I've got so many lights and controls by both sides of the bed with USBs and a USB either side, and very easy to turn on switches. And the bed looks so comfortable. I'm telling you, arriving here by train from the airport, if you don't speak Danish, is a nightmare. Don't even attempt it. I was lucky because I met Alicia from Caring, and we were going to talk about Gucci and Ponant, but we never got round to it because we were too taken up with trying to get on the train, to work out which stop to get off at, and then how to get out of the station. We were picked up by a very nice man who'd had quite a lot to drink, who actually directed us in the right way, because Alicia was following Google Maps, which sent us in the wrong direction. So this is especially for those with challenges, and I'm happy to say that I'm happy to accept challenges if this is the room that I get here at Villa Copenhagen, the old post office in Copenhagen.